In today's digital age, coding has become an essential skill, much like reading, writing, and arithmetic. It's the language that powers our computers, smartphones, and countless other devices we interact with daily. Just as we use spoken languages to communicate with each other, we use coding to communicate with machines. Learning to code opens up a world of possibilities, empowering you to create, innovate, and shape the future. Think of coding as learning a new language, but instead of speaking to people, you're speaking to computers. Every line of code is an instruction you give to the computer, telling it what to do. At first it might seem challenging, just like learning any new language. But with practice and dedication, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can start building incredible things. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, the demand for skilled coders is skyrocketing. Coding is no longer limited to the realm of software engineers. It has become increasingly relevant across various industries. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, coding is transforming the way we live, work, and play. Imagine developing the next groundbreaking app, designing websites that captivate audiences, or creating innovative solutions for complex problems. These are just a few examples of the exciting opportunities that await you in the world of coding. Whether you aspire to be a software developer, a data scientist, or an entrepreneur, coding skills will give you a significant edge in today's competitive job market. The beauty of coding lies in its versatility. With coding skills, you can work in virtually any industry that interests you. In technology, you can build websites, develop mobile applications, or work on cutting-edge artificial intelligence projects. In finance, you can analyze financial data, automate trading algorithms, or develop secure online banking systems. The possibilities are truly limitless, but the benefits of coding extend far beyond career prospects. Coding nurtures problem-solving skills, enhances creativity, and promotes logical thinking. It empowers you to bring your ideas to life, turning your imagination into reality. Learning to code is not just about acquiring a technical skill, it's about developing a valuable mindset that will serve you well in all aspects of your life. Now that you understand the incredible power and potential of coding, you might be wondering where to begin. The good news is that there are countless resources available to help you get started, and many of them are completely free. The first step is to choose a beginner-friendly programming language. Python and JavaScript are excellent choices as they are widely used, relatively easy to learn, and have large and supportive communities. Python, known for its simple syntax and readability, is a great choice for beginners. It's a versatile language used in web development, data science, and machine learning. JavaScript, on the other hand, is the language of the web. It allows you to create interactive and dynamic websites. Once you've chosen your language, it's time to dive in and start coding. There are countless online courses, tutorials, and interactive platforms designed specifically for beginners. Codecademy, Khan Academy, and Free Code Camp are excellent resources that offer structured learning paths and hands-on exercises. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The world of coding awaits, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or simply someone looking to expand their skill set, there's never been a better time to embark on your coding journey. Embrace the challenge, unlock your potential, and start coding today. The journey may have its ups and downs, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember, the key to mastering coding is consistent practice. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to work on coding projects, even if it's just for a short period. Join online coding communities, participate in coding challenges, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and inspire you. The more you code, the more confident and proficient you'll become. So what are you waiting for? The world of coding is at your fingertips. Take the first step, embrace the challenge, and unlock a world of possibilities.